Well, September comes to Texas just one time every year. So we get our guns and a pickup truck and a bunch of that Lone Star beer. Well, we head out for them open plains where the birds that flow like wine.
Holy
Yeah, we
moly.
hunt them up and then we shoot them down. Man, it makes me feel so fine. Well, the manly sport's what I'm talking about, so you can grab a patch of chew. Yeah, and if we get bored, cause the birds won't fly, we'll shoot rabbits with my 22. I said I don't wanna go to Paris, cause I get enough French with my fries. You just
Doink. 4 in a row.